This is huge, okay? This is huge for Bitcoin. This is huge for the whole crypto sector. I mean, over the past 24 hours, we've had two major pieces of news which has rocked the entire cryptocurrency space. And as a result, we've seen Bitcoin push over $40,000 once again. Is this the beginning of fear and pessimism starting to escape the whole crypto market space? And also, Bitcoin has been following the Fibonacci retracement tool to the T. So in this video, we're going to explore the two major pieces of news that came out in relation to Bitcoin and the crypto space. And also, we're going to look at the price action, and I'll tell you where I think Bitcoin is going next. So in one of my videos last week, I informed you guys that I see massive opportunity within the SPAC sector and also within the cryptocurrency space. And as a result, I said I'm going to start investing in crypto because I see a ton of opportunity. When there's fear in an asset class and retail investors sell out because of pessimism, that's usually when I start shopping, all right? I love shopping when it's red. The crypto space is no different in my opinion. And look at this, okay? This is where the big money also start buying, okay? So where you are selling out your Bitcoin, where you guys are panicking, where there's a lot of pessimism, you've got the likes of Tudor Jones, who conveniently has come out and said that he now likes Bitcoin, okay? He calls it a great portfolio diversifier to protect his wealth over time. And I absolutely positively agree with his point. I told you guys in my video that I started buying Ethereum last year when it was around $600 a share. And I started selling out of Ethereum as the price went to $4,000. And as I was selling out of my Ethereum around that time, high growth, small to mid cap stocks were selling off. So I was essentially able to trim my Ethereum position and use my profits to buy up more shares of Tattooed Chef, to buy up more shares of Palantir and all of the other stocks that we bought during that decline. So one of the greatest traders of all time and investors, Paul Tudor Jones, he's calling it a great portfolio diversifier to protect his wealth over time. Now, the way he advised that we break it down, all right? So I like Bitcoin as a portfolio diversifier. Everybody asks me, what should I do with my Bitcoin? The only thing I know for certain is I want 5% in gold, 5% in Bitcoin, 5% in cash, 5% in commodities. At this point in time, I don't know what I want to do with the other 80% until I see what the Fed is going to do. So this is what Paul Jones said on CNBC's Squawk Box recently. Now this, alongside some news regarding Elon Musk saying that Tesla will accept Bitcoin as payments once the clean energy usage is confirmed, altered the sentiment towards Bitcoin because we saw it for the first time in a while push over $40,000, okay? So we all know Elon Musk has the power to move the whole crypto market, which, to be honest, it still makes me very uneasy about this, that one man, the whole crypto market is resting on one man's shoulders. But it's starting to appear that the overall pessimistic sentiment towards Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is beginning to shift, okay? And it's at this point you really want to start wrapping up your Bitcoin or your favorite crypto positions because the sentiment is clearly starting to shift. Take a look at BlackRock, okay? They've now come out and said that they are studying crypto, aka they are building their position. okay, that's speculation. We don't know whether they're building their position, wink wink, but they are saying that they are studying crypto, which could someday play role akin to gold, CEO says, okay? So they are dropping subtle hints, okay? You guys have to be able to read between the lines. The price of Bitcoin got ahead of itself, and that 50% pullback that we have seen, I saw it as an incredible buying opportunity. Again, it's not financial advice. This is what I am seeing. I'm just letting you guys know what I am seeing. And it's no coincidence that BlackRock is now beginning to study crypto and potentially considering it as an asset class to offer to their clients. And proof of this is this statement here. So institutions rode that momentum. So that's in reference to what Paul Tudor Jones mentioned earlier, with major custody banks like BNY Mellon and State Street seeking to offer crypto services for clients, and major financial institutions like BlackRock and BlackRock again, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, figuring out how to safely offer clients exposure to Bitcoin. Previously, there was a tremendous career risk for investment institutions trying to get Bitcoin into their portfolios, okay? Again, maybe because it was at the euphoric stage, and now that we've seen a lot of fear and pessimism introduced into the crypto space and the price is now 50% at a discount, they are now considering it and maybe it's not as risky anymore because you're no longer investing at the point of maximum risk, which is the euphoric stage. You are now investing at the point of maximum financial opportunity, which is the fear and depression stage. Okay, so let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts, because the way this thing follows the Fibonacci retracement tool is unreal. Okay, this Bitcoin price follows the Fibonacci retracement indicator to the actual letter, to the T. I mean, take a look at here. Even on the rise up to $64,000, it rebounded off the 50% mark around $37 and then had a massive pullback back down to $31, only for the price of Bitcoin to push through the 50% mark and then test the 38% resistance, which was 44,000, but completely shattered through that, broke through the 23.6%, which was the $52,000 price mark, but then it lost a bit of steam, pulled back again and retested the 38.2% level, again that's 44,000, and then broke through the 23.6% level again, approaching the price of $64,000, to which that's where it set its all-time highs. So $31,000 seems to be the support level for Bitcoin right now. But with word from Tudor Jones and Elon Musk now saying that they're prepared to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment once they get the clean energy sorted, which again, if you think about it, when is that actually ever going to take place? We don't know. Nobody knows yet. I don't even think Elon Musk knows. But either way, that was enough to push the share price back into the 40,000 price bracket. So it broke through the 50% mark. It's now currently trading within the high 39,000s and 40,000 mark. Okay. Now, the key thing is, if the 50% level becomes supports, then I would expect the price of Bitcoin to continue higher to test the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So that's about 44,000. But if it drops below 37,000, signaling that there wasn't enough momentum for this breakout to hold, then we could potentially push down lower and retest this support level at 61%, which is 31,400. Okay, so we are at a critical stage with Bitcoin right now. Okay, will it hold the 50% level? That's 37,000. Will it hold? Will that support level hold? And will we progress to test 44,000? It remains to be seen. Okay, but I will say the overall sentiment is starting to turn a bit positive towards Bitcoin, and that of course trickles down to the rest of the crypto market space. Again, remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know what I plan to do. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I plan to do some more crypto videos because, like I said, now is the time to really start looking at this asset class quite closely. Alongside that, of course, I will continue with my usual stocks, because stocks is where my heart is. I absolutely love stocks, but I also love growing my wealth, and I think there's a lot of opportunity right now within the crypto sector. So if you gained any value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.